Today we are kicking off with a fun boat tour on this artificial lake in Bentong district with this hilarious uncle. Then we are diving into the unique Malay tradition, making bamboo lemang rice, a must-have dish for Hari Raya. So we are with Zaki, our Workaway host, arrived at a sort of lake. Doggy. A sort of lake. Go to this fishing place. This man is owning this little place. Why the dog always barks when I'm vlogging? And yeah, we're gonna take a picture with him. He asked for this favor. Gonna take a picture of the boat. So it's super hot, but this guy owning these 8 boats, he really wants to take us with him on a boat tour. Before we head to another place at Zaki's friend to do a very special thing. So now we're gonna kill this time and jump on a boat with this guy.
Itu kilang. Oh, kilang. Kita promote kejap. Tak apa, daripada
So basically this is a man-made lake.
So we are starting the boat ride.
A small curiosity for you. This funny guy with the sunglasses is the owner of 8-9 boats, and you can just rent a boat and go fishing around this artificial lake.
guys. Hello.
We are having a photo shoot on this race thing. We are having a photo shoot.
Guys. Jauh. Okay.
So we are getting a picture
Guys, really,
of this thing.
It's been.
And they're gonna leave us here now. Awesome.
Boleh. Terima kasih lah Pak Kah.
Tak apa.
But now let's go to make some lemang bamboo sticky rice. We arrived to the place and I can see the banana leaves as well, ready for the things that we are meant to do. Look at those.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Good looking, eh? Nice leaves.
Very nice.
The bamboo sticks were carefully selected by the guys. They should be young, tender and straight for the cooking to be even. The banana leaves act as a natural non-sticky layer between the bamboo and the rice and have to be wiped and cleaned to remove any dirt. You see how he's doing it? The whole process looks super easy, but we can tell you it is not. How many bananas do we have? Behind you, so many, huh, David?
Couple of banana leaves, right?
Yeah, just a couple.
Yeah. You living where?
Pompeii?
You living where? 80 kilometers from Venice.
Trieste. Famous harbor.
Oh.
Trieste. So basically, what the guys are doing are cutting the bananas leaves in the right shape because it's gonna go inside the bamboo and the rice is gonna cook inside there with coconut milk. There's the middle of the banana leaf. It's gonna help to roll the leaf.
So we measure as per bamboo length.
Oh, cool. Measuring the length of the bamboo.
Yeah. so we not wasted too much of the leaf.
Ah,
And easy to put the rice.
wow.
And now,
Okay, so this is how we roll. Ya, jalan. Sini ya. Kita tidur agaknya. So this is how we roll the leaf. We put inside the bamboo. Okay, let the master do it. Okay, okay.
Wow, perfect.
Mana nak? Ha? Sekejap bang. Sekejap bang. Banyak mana? Dah, yes.
And one is done. Perfect size. A bit extra so the rice can go in nicely afterwards.
And this one also later will give you very nice flavor of that banana-ish.
Yeah, I can smell it even just from this bit. I can smell the banana. You could as well, right?
yeah, I could also. Yeah.
Without like banana-ish. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it.
So while you stick or put it in, you have to roll it like that.
Roll it also
Yes,
as it goes.
and then you have to do it anti-clockwise.
Whoa. The technique.
Oui.
Really.
So it's a bit longer. It's okay. We can cut it off later.
Better sound.
Better sound. Crap. I messed the banana leaf. The fire needs to be just right. Too hot and the rice might burn, but too cool it won't cook evenly.
The next day.
And then was time to taste the homemade lemang.
It's the original color from the banana leaf. It's a bit darker.
Trying it?
Yeah.
With some beef
Like
spicy.
the uncle yesterday. Action, happy.
Always. Ooh. Trying with the rice. Oh, we are being fed here. Spoiled during Raya, hopping from one house to the other. Happy Raya!